Hello there, we are back again with our book review, and today we are going to delve into chapters 3 and 4. And in chapters 3, we are introduced to Abraham's material wealth. Yes, you and I know Abraham was wealthy. We are told of the number of cattle and the number of workers that Abraham controlled and all the wells that he dug. And the writer of the book takes his time to take us through how Abraham actually became this rich and the process through which he acquired all the wealth that God blessed him with. And so in this chapter, we are told that Abraham played to his strength. What is in your hands? All of us are gifted with something. What is in your particular hands? What is your strength? We are told of the 70-25-5 principle, focusing 70% of your energies on your strength, 25% on the areas where you want to improve, and 5% on trying to get out of your weaknesses. So Abraham played to his strength. From his background, he was a nomad, and so he knew the dynamics of the desert. And so he took it up upon himself to invest in the area of his strength, what he was familiar with. He did not just end there. Abraham went ahead to explore the land. And we recall that every point that Abraham explored the land at various vantage places, he would take a pause, build an altar, and worship God. How much is God involved in your exploration of life? Whilst you explore with your education, while you explore with business ideas and all that, how much of God are you inviting into that exploration? We are also told that Abraham made the best investment. After his exploration, he realized that one of the key investments was investing in water, a critical resource for nomads. And so Abraham dug wells. And we also are told of how Abraham ensured that he kept peace with all the people that he was dealing with in his so-called business environment. What are you known for as a child of God? In your line of work, in your school, wherever you find yourself, are you known as a peaceful person? Are you known as one who projects peace? And so in this chapter, we are basically told about how Abraham explored and acquired wealth. And we are told and we are admonished as children of God that subsistence living does not please God, because we need to create wealth and be a blessing to other people. What do you have to be a blessing to others? I don't want to tell you too much because there's a lot in there. But we quickly jump to chapter 4, where we are told about spirituality and wealth acquisition. In our part of the world, it seems as if that rich people don't have time to serve God. That serving God is the reserve of the poor. Those who don't have anything to do. Those who have time are the people who serve God. But in chapter 4, we are challenged that the call of every child of God is to be an example in our world and make time for the things of God. Abraham was introduced by God to Abimelech as a prophet. Abraham can be described as a pure Christian entrepreneur. And here, the writer compares Abraham to Lot. Lot was also wealthy. However, we see Lot meddling and being comfortable, staying around Sodom and Gomorrah, a place where their lifestyle did not fit, and he was comfortable, he settled. And when the people in the community wanted to abuse the visitors, the angels that came to visit, Lot was comfortable releasing his daughters for them rather. There are a lot of things that Lot does that exemplifies rich people whose value systems and their actions and the things they do is in right contradiction to what our Christian principles tell us. But the writer encourages us that it is possible to be rich and be an outstanding Christian to the glory of God. What would you rather choose? Make a date with us as we continue on this journey of reviewing this amazing book. Have you got your copy yet? If not, contact us and let's get you a copy and let's go on this journey together. God bless you.